Today, we're addressing 4 key challenges that professional services organizations face. Talking to project managers over years, we believe that knowledge is power and can assist in turning these challenges into opportunities. Resource management. At silentpartner, we streamline the balance between assigning skilled personnel to critical tasks and avoiding resource overstretch through meticulous planning and smart automation, fostering optimal resource allocation. Maintaining profitability. Leveraging real-time financial tools amid rising costs and competitive pricing pressures, silentpartner helps swiftly pinpoint and address potential profitability issues, aiding data-driven decisions to bolster your bottom line. Project delivery. Navigating the balance of timely, budget-observant project delivery and meeting client quality expectations is simplified with silentpartner. By melding robust project management methodologies with collaborative software solutions, we swiftly identify bottlenecks, ensuring seamless value delivery to our clients. Client satisfaction. We elevate client satisfaction by offering tools essential for seamless operations in the professional services realm. Included in our suite are client and vendor portals designed for swift approvals and effortless sharing of statements of work, fostering a transparent and streamlined process for all involved parties. Our experience and insights into the professional services industry, combined with our commitment to excellence, empower us to deliver value to them. As your partner in success, we're here to help you navigate these challenges and thrive in a competitive marketplace.